Hello! A pleasant day to everyone. Welcome to DepEd Candon City Teleskwela, kanlungan ng kaalaman, tungo sa kahusayan at kaunlaran. I am Teacher O, and I'll be your teacher for today's episode in Grade 6 Mathematics. Our lesson for this week is on percentage, rate, and base. For the most essential learning competency, find the percentage, rate, and base in a given problem. At the end of this video lesson, you are expected to define percentage, rate, and base. Identify the missing element in a percentage problem. Find or solve for the percentage, base, and rate using the appropriate formula. These are the guide questions for today's lesson. What is percentage, rate, and base? How do you solve for percentage, rate, and base? Are you ready to know the answers to these questions? Great! Listen very well and work with me. Mark's daily allowance is 40 pesos. He spends 12 pesos for snacks. This is 30% of his daily allowance. Identify which information represents the percentage, the rate, and the base. In the situation given above, we can say that 30% of 40 pesos is 12 pesos. We let P the percentage, R be the rate, and B be the base. 12 pesos is the percentage. It is the number or amount that represents a part of a whole. 30% is the rate. It is the number compared to 100. It usually has either a percent sign or the word percent with it. 40 pesos is the base. It is the number that represents the whole or entire amount. This situation above can also be described as 30% of 40 is 12. 30% as the rate, multiply 40 as the base, equals 12 the percentage. Based on this, we can now generate formula for finding the percentage, the rate, and the base. The teacher's triangle on the screen can help you remember the three formulas. To find the percentage, since R and B are next to each other, it means multiplication. To find the base, since P is over R, it means division. And to find R, since P is over B, it means division. So, percentage is equal to base multiplied by R. Rate is equal to percentage divided by base. And base is equal to percentage divided by rate. Where P is the percentage, R is the rate, and B is base. Let us study the following examples. First, finding the percentage. Find 75% of 80. I will show two ways to solve it. First, by using decimal. 75% of 80 is equal to n. Change the rate, 75% to decimals. Can you still remember your past lesson on changing percent to decimals? Great! What is 75% expressed in decimals? Yes, it is 75 hundredths. Of the multiplication sign, 75 hundredths multiplied by 80 is equal to n. 60 is equal to n. Answer is 75% of 80 is 60. Second, by using a proportion. Rate is equal to percentage over base. 75 over 100 is equal to n over 80. Get the cross products. 75 multiplied to 80 is equal to 6,000. 100 multiplied to n is equal to 100n. Divide both sides by 100. N is equal to 60. The answer is 75% of 80 is 60. Finding the rate. 36 is what percent of 60? Think this as n percent of 60 is equal to 36. N percent as the rate, 60 as the base, 36 as the percentage. Again, we can solve this in two ways. First, by using fraction. N percent becomes n over 100 multiplied to 60 is equal to 36. 60n divided by 100 is equal to 36. Multiply both sides by 100. 100 multiplied to 60n over 100 is equal to 36 multiplied to 100. 60n is equal to 3,600. Divide both sides by 60. 60n divided by 60 is equal to n. 3,600 divided by 60 is equal to 60. The answer is 36 is 60% of 60. Now, let us use proportion. Rate is equal to percentage over base. N over 100 is equal to 36 over 60. N is to 100 is equal to 36 is to 60. Find the product of the means and the extremes. N multiplied to 60 is equal to 60. 100 multiplied to 36 is equal to 3,600. Write the equation. 60n is equal to 3,600. Divide both sides by 60. 60n divided by 60 is n, and 3,600 divided by 60 is 60. The answer is 36 is 60% of 60. Finding the base. 40% of a number is 240. What is the number? There are two ways to solve the problem. Think, 40% of n is equal to 240. 40% is the rate, n is the base, and 240 is the percentage. First, using decimals. 40% of n is equal to 240. Change the rate 40% to decimals as 4/10 multiplied to n is equal to 240. 4/10 n is equal to 240. Divide both sides by 4/10. 4/10 n divided by 4/10 is n. 240 divided by 4/10 is 600. N is equal to 600. The answer is 40% of 600 is 240. Next, using a proportion. Rate is equal to percentage over base. Write as a proportion. 40 over 100 is equal to 240 over n, or 40 is to 100 is equal to 240 is to n. Find the product of the means and extremes. 40 times n is equal to 40n, and 100 times 240 is 24,000. Write the equation. 40n is equal to 24,000. Divide both sides by 40. 40n divided by 40 is n. 24,000 divided by 40 is 600. N is equal to 600. The answer is 40% of 600 is 240. Now, let us solve this word problem. 24% of Jared's marble collections are blue. If he has 48 blue marbles, how many marbles does he have in all? How do we solve word problems again? What are the steps? Can you recall? Very good. We have 4. What are they again? Understand, plan, solve, and check. Understand. What is asked? The total number of Jared's marbles. What are the given facts? Jared has 48 blue marbles, which is 24% of the total number of his marbles. For our plan, what are we going to do? Apply operations on decimals to compute for the total number of marbles. Let's solve. Translate the sentence in mathematical symbols. 24% of what number is 48? 24% times n is equal to 48. 24 hundredths times n is equal to 48. 24 hundredths n is equal to 48. Divide both sides with 24 hundredths. 24 hundredths divided by 24 hundredths is n. 48 divided by 24 hundredths is 200. N is equal to 200. Jared has 200 marbles in all. To check our answer, multiply the base by 24%. 24% times n is equal to 48. 24% of 200 is 48. 24 hundredths times 200 is equal to 48. 48 is equal to 48. Therefore, the answer is correct. From the discussion that we had, let us now define percentage, rate, or base. Percentage is the number or amount that represents a part of a whole. Rate is the number compared to 100. Usually has either a percent sign or the word percent with it. Base is the number that represents the whole or entire amount. These are the formulas for finding percentage, rate, and base. Percentage is equal to base multiplied by rate. Rate is equal to percentage divided by base. And base, percentage divided by rate. Are you ready to have your activity? Bring out your paper and pen and do this. Identify whether the following problems are looking for the percentage, rate, or base. Then, solve for the unknown. You are given 10 seconds for numbers 1 to 3 and 15 seconds for numbers 4 and 5 to answer the given problems. Number 1. 45% of 70 is what number? Timer starts now. Is your answer percentage and 31 and 5/10? Great! You are correct. Number 2. What percent of 16 is 64? Timer starts now. Is your answer rate and 25%? Very good. You are correct. Number 3. 110% of what number is 660 pesos? Timer starts now. Is your answer base and 600 pesos? Excellent! You are correct. Number 4. In a survey, 18 parents prefer modular distance learning modality than online learning modality. If this represents 90% of the respondents, how many respondents were there in all? Timer starts now. Is your answer base and 20? Oh, Sam, you are correct. Number 5. A painter can finish painting a house in 30 days. If he has been painting for 24 days, what percent of the painting job has he not completed yet? Timer starts now. Is your answer rate and 20%? Wow, perfect! You are correct. Congratulations, you have finished the lesson. I hope you learned a lot from today's session. Thank you very much for being with me this episode. Hope to see you again next week. Once again, this is Teacher O, and have a great day.